You have been told to learn Python, study machine learning, maybe build a chatbot. But the real money in AI isn't where the crowd is going. It is in the gaps everyone else is missing. After analyzing salary data and job descriptions from the past 6 months, I found 5 skills that consistently command premiums of 30% or more. These aren't just technical skills, they are business skills powered by AI. If you want to be indispensable in the next 2 years, this is your roadmap. Forget AI basics, here are the 5 lucrative, hidden skills 2026 demands. You know those systems your company has been running for decades? Imagine them speaking fluently with GPT. That's the architect's job. It is not about the individual AIs, it is the invisible framework that binds them all, unlocking workflows that save millions. Master API orchestration and event-driven design, that's the skeleton of the next enterprise. Stop thinking about AI as a feature. Think of it as the central nervous system. Your job is to design that intelligence into the core business logic. It is the difference between a tool that asks for data and an autonomous system that anticipates, decides, and executes. You will build the enterprise brain itself, one resilient, self-healing pipeline at a time. Stop thinking about this as plumbing and pipes. That's the old way. This is city planning. You are not just connecting a single model to a database. You are designing the entire traffic system for information, ensuring every single AI-driven service, whether in logistics or marketing, flows without a jam. You are the urban designer for intelligence, and every resilient pipeline is a new city block. Most AI advice is outdated. The real demand is shifting now. Stop right there. You are still thinking about data as something you collect. That's the old world. The breakthrough is that the most valuable data for future AI will be data that never actually happened. Your edge is generating perfectly tailored, ethically clean, and strategically biased synthetic data to train models on scenarios you define. Real data is limited. Synthetic data is the new currency. Now, let me show you the battlefield. Real data has constraints, privacy laws, inherent biases, the physical world. But with synthetic data, you draw the map. You create the exact training ground your model needs. You control every variable. This isn't about cleaning data, it is about inventing a perfect, limitless dataset to build an AI nobody else can. Think of your AI model as a world-class athlete. You cannot train a champion on junk food. You feed it a perfect, custom diet. That's synthetic data. It is not just generating fake data. It is architecting the precise, high-performance fuel your models need to outrun the competition, clean, controlled, and without legal baggage. Skip AI basics. 5 hidden skills will dominate 2026. Let me be blunt right now, AI is confidently making serious, costly mistakes. Your new skill is forensic analysis. You'll learn to catch what others miss, the subtle errors in logic, the biased data conclusions, the fabricated facts, before they damage a project or a company's reputation. You become the essential human gatekeeper for quality and truth. Start by learning to systematically audit any AI output. Think of a lawyer reviewing a multimillion-dollar contract. That's you, but for AI. Every report, decision, and creative output is a legal risk. Companies desperately need you to spot the tiny cracks that will break them in code. You don't just find errors, you uncover the hidden bias and legal liability buried inside the code. Master this by stress testing every AI-generated claim against real-world data. Stop trusting the machine's confidence. Your job is to interrogate it. Is that sales forecast based on flawed assumptions? Did that marketing copy plagiarize? You bring the critical human judgment that turns dangerous outputs into bulletproof assets. Start by building a validation checklist for every single AI-generated deliverable in your domain. Ditch Learn AI. These 5 hidden skills command top dollar now. Think about the prompts driving your company's sales, marketing, and customer service right now. Are they just scattered text files? That's a massive liability. You move from a user to the architect, the one who builds, refines, and strategically deploys these core business assets. You do not just write prompts, you own the system that makes them unbeatable. What happens when your most valuable prompt gets altered or lost? How do you systematically improve it without starting from scratch every time? This is the art of prompt portfolio management. You move from writing disposable lines of text to curating a living, competitive asset library. You ensure the prompts powering your business are only getting sharper. Right now, you have prompts scattered everywhere. That's a massive hidden risk. A single tweak can cripple a key process overnight. Instead, you must govern them like critical code, with rigorous version control, A/B testing frameworks, and central libraries. This is how you build resilient systems and harden your most powerful workflows against failure. Skip coding. This list will shock every aspiring AI professional. This is where your career separates from the pack. Most professionals blindly adopt tools, but you will learn to dissect them. Your new superpower is seeing beyond the flashy demo to the long-term costs, the hidden lock-in, and the real strategic leverage. This skill turns you from a consumer into a strategic advisor. Master procurement, and you control the roadmap. That AI vendor salesperson is dazzling the C-suite with promises. But you will see the trap, the spiraling API fees, the data exit that does not exist, and the roadmap that's now theirs, not yours. You become the one person in the room asking the contract killer questions. You do not just buy tools, you secure strategic advantage and control. What happens when that perfect AI vendor gets acquired, doubles its price, or shuts down? Your entire business stalls. Can you answer which data rights you truly own, or if you can even run the model yourself? This skill stops you from betting the company on a slick demo and builds a resilient, future-proof foundation. The highest paid AI skills solve business problems, integration, risk, cost, not just technical ones. Future-proof yourself by mastering the intersection of AI, a specific domain, and business strategy. Start today by picking one skill, finding a real problem in your current role or a project, and applying it. Which of these 5 skills aligns closest with your current work or interests? Let me know in the comments, and I can suggest deeper resources for that specific path.